My name is Sridhar Bamedi. I am Technical Sales Advisor at Fronius India Private Limited. We have our head office in Bhosari, Pune, and we also have several regional offices across India like in Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Gurugram as well. So we are able to cater all our customer requirements, sales and service related through our Fronius system partner network across India. If I'm talking about our Fronius Tauro, which is available in 50 and 100 kilowatt power class, it offers various BOS cost effectiveness for our customers so that they can customize their project inverter as per their project needs. So here with Tauro inverter, they have pre-combined models, direct version models, and on the AC side they have AC-DC chaining, non-AC-DC chaining, multi-core, single-core. So there are various protections also coming inbuilt within the inverter, and these products not only come with various features that are optimized for customer requirement, they are also sustainably manufactured 100% in Fronius, Austria, Europe. We also offer electric vehicle charging solutions by the name Fronius Watt Pilot. So these AC chargers are available in 11 kilowatt and 22 kilowatt variants, and they can be utilized for any vehicle type, any model. And with this Fronius Watt Pilot, it also comes with various features like we have eco mode charging, where only solar energy is utilized for charging the electric vehicle. Then we also have next strict mode charging, wherein you input the time or kilometers you want to travel, and accordingly the charger will ensure that your vehicle is sufficiently charged to meet your trip requirements. And this AC charger can work with solar and also without solar, and it is also on the go charger, so you can remove the charger, keep it in your car and charge it somewhere else when your vehicle is in discharge state. It again depends on the vehicle. So now if 3.6 kilowatt vehicle is using our charger, then it takes only 3.6 kilowatt output power from the charger. So it depends on vehicle. If you are connecting 7.2 kilowatt vehicle, our charger can provide 7.2 kilowatt of output power. So now we have on-grid inverters. Fronius has on-grid inverters from 3 kilowatt to 100 kilowatt capacity ranges, and we are also into hybrid inverter segment from 3 kilowatt to 10 kilowatt capacities. So with hybrid inverters, we have PV point option, which also can provide 3 kilowatt of output even without batteries and grid outages. So direct solar can be utilized for running the loads up to 3 kilowatt capacity, and surge load can be up to 4.5 kilowatt. So now with our inverter models from 3 kilowatt to 12.5 kilowatt capacities, we are also offering 10 years of warranty for our inverters in India. We have Fronius system partner network. About 60 partners are there in entire India, in southern part, west, east, and also northern part of the country, who are catering to the sales and service of our products. So we train this system partners specifically on our products. So they are chosen based on the quality installations they do and the technical capabilities and competencies of their engineers. So once the partner is selected, we train them on our products, and then we depute their engineers on site for carrying out the activities related to Fronius.
The renewable energy sector in India, we have very good vast scope because our government has set the target by JNSM, Jawaharlal Nehru Solar Mission, MNRE has set a target for India to reach around 200 gigawatt by 2030. But that target is very huge. So every body in India is focused and responsible for the sustainable energy, to use the renewable energy as a major motto. And moreover, the overwhelming response here is the solar energy here becoming a very prominent in the Indian sector, where everybody, every community, every institution is going for solar now. Focus is majorly on the sustainability, how our products are designed, and how our recycle analysis of our product was done, how we are contributing to the green earth contribution, and how we are contributing to the sustainable future. And in Fronius, the products are designed very analyzed and designed with the perspective of this sustainability design, and we are giving our products from in India from last 10 years, more than 10 years we are offering. So our product design and the uniqueness and the service is very easy because we are everywhere in India. Every city we have our office, regional offices there, and this is the major share we have in major markets like Kerala and Tamil Nadu and even northern part of Delhi and Delhi and every place we have very good share. We are operating through Fronius system partners across all the regions. So we want to increase our Fronius system partner base because now we have our demand increase for Fronius products. Now we are operating in the concept of Fronius system partners. So we have Fronius system partner and also we have Fronius system partner plus. So this is the concept we are operating globally. So the expansion of our Fronius system partners, we are expanding in 2024 in a big way because we want to increase our market share majorly because this is the demand for Fronius in India. So Fronius, our unique point is we have a board level replacement and no need to replace the entire inverter. Ours is a part level replacement and the boards are replaced very easily at the site. We are the first on-site repairable inverter launched in 2000 in India. Almost we are the first on-site serviceable inverter in the world. We are the first inverter who you can remove the parts and replace in the site itself. And also our inverter is very user friendly. Even a small electrician or housewife can exchange our boards with our online support. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to us in presenting our Fronius, because the Fronius, as a Fronius, we want to contribute to the society with our sustainable products, and we want to contribute in a big way, and we want to give the customers the best products and European technology, and it's an Austrian based product where the customers are very happy and very happy from last 10 years. We want to make all the customers happy with our products and ultimately reach the sustainable goals.